Hi guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today is the 4th of February 2020 and this is already 2 o'clock in the afternoon here in the UK. And today I'm going to show you how to make the my homemade mogu mogu using only two ingredients, which is the nata de coco and the mango passion fruit from Asda. So I'll show you here how I made them step by step. And if you're lovers of mogu mogu, then this is for you. So I'll put you here just now, okay? There you are. Can you see me there? Right, so all we need, like what I said, is this one, which is the nata de coco. You can get this one in the Asian shop, wherein you can get this in different kinds. And this is in green. You can get them in white. You can get them in red. And yeah, it says nata de coco buenas, and this is made from the Philippines, this one. And we get this one from the Asian shop here in Queensway in London, which it only cost us £2.10, this one. So that is the main ingredients when you're making, or the mogu mogu that if you already tried the mogu mogu from Thailand, that's the one ingredients that's inside the mogu mogu. That's why it's called chew. Mogu mogu means to chew. That's the one that's chewable, like a jello thing. This is the one. And obviously we need as well the mango passion fruit. And I bought this one from Asda. And they're only £1. And you can get them in different flavor. But I prefer the mango passion fruit just for a trial, what it tastes like, to make my own mogu mogu. So yeah, but you can get different varieties of flavor of this one. You could get them in apple or you can get them in orange. So it depends on what you prefer. But for today, I'm going to show you using the mango passion fruit from Asda. And of course, we need as well the nata de coco, which you can get them from Asian shop. This one. So yes, what we're going to do first, I'm going to put you down here so you can see me better. So I can put you here, so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, so with the nata de coco, right, because they're too big, I'll show you what they're like. This is what they're like when you take them from the bottle. They're like cubes, like that. You see? And they're quite big. So they're not going to be on the top when you're drinking them because they're too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice them into small bits, right? So I'm just gonna, I think, slice them because they're quite like gelatin, but they're like gelatin but they're more harder, if you know what I mean, like that. But they're like jello, but the harder version, because it's nata de coco actually is made of coconut. So there you go. We're gonna put it in the glass. Right, so we're gonna cut some more, so at least it goes like on the top of your drink, because if it's too big like that, it doesn't go up like when you drink into your glass. So yeah, so we're gonna slice it into small bits, right? There you are. Out. There you go. And then you just put them in your glass. Okay, gonna get a towel. And then it depends how many you want. If you want it more, you can get more. So we'll put maybe 2 more. So it's more nata de coco in it. It's similar as well if you watch my video about the iced tea, coffee iced tea, milk tea from the Asian shop. It's similar, the one that's in that drink. It's nata de coco. Or some of them are like the gel, like the black pearl. But this one is the nata de coco. So there you go. So once it's there in your glass, right, I'm going to put this away. This is actually in, how many grams is this? doesn't say how many grams, but this is ready to eat and serve as dessert. You can use this by dessert. You can use this by dessert, not just with only with mogu mogu, but you can use them with desserts. Yeah, so they're really good. This is 340 grams, by the way. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna use the mango, and this is in 1.5 liter for 1 pound, so it's not too bad. And I'm using the mango passion fruit juice drink. We're gonna shake it first, and that's our drink. And then we're gonna put, we're just gonna put half, right? And then you can put some more. If you think it's not enough, you can put more of the passion fruit. There you go. So it looks like mogu mogu now. And then you just stir it like that. See? Stir it. So it's like mogu mogu. And then, right, I'm going to move here. Right, guys? So there you go. There's your mogu mogu, homemade mogu mogu. And like what I said, you can stir them. I can drink them. Cheers, by the way. They're really good. They're really nice. So yeah, I hope you try this one, and they're really nice. But the only thing is with this one, if you want those ones, the nata de coco, you can use a spoon, or you can just drink them. There you go. So there you go, guys. That's our mogu, homemade mogu mogu, using only the nata de coco and the mango passion fruit from Asda. So it only cost me less than £3 to get all of this. And you can make as many mogu mogu as you want at home. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And we'll try it next time for other drinks. We can try them with, maybe we can try them with like a fizzy drink with our nata de coco and see what's the best. But yeah, for now, that is the one that we tried today, which is the mogu mogu, homemade, made of nata de coco, which you can get from the Asian shop or your Oriental shop or Chinese supermarket. And you can get as well this passion fruit from Asda for only £1. So there you go, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share. And I hope you try this one and let me know how you get on and put it in my comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye. Bye.